So I'm gonna try out this new PPE double deep Allison 1000 and 2000 series external spin-on filter. Pretty nice quality. So I like the extra capacity, and it is a 15 micron filtration rating, which is half of the size, I believe, of the AC Delco or Allison branded one. So yeah, seems like a much better quality product, and I figure it's cheap insurance because transmissions are expensive. Spin off the old one, let it drain, and then I got some new fluid here with this Dexron 6 ATF by AC Delco. I'm just gonna top that off. Here's that old filter. You can see there's that magnet in there. You wanna make sure to take that out, wipe it off, and put it in the new one. See, we just pre-filled the new one. Took probably about a half a quart. Let it soak in real good. So here I just took the magnet out and I just kind of wiped it a little bit with a paper towel, and you can see how much junk is on it. And I changed that filter not too long ago, maybe a couple oil changes ago. And that's just a cheap off-brand filter. But you can see the magnet actually picked up quite a bit. See, there's a lot of blackness on there too. So it's doing its job. The magnet is in and it's filled to the top. Spin it back on and you're good to go for another 10,000. There it is. Looking good down there. You can see it doesn't stick down too far past the pan. I'm not even really worried about it. There's the K&N oil filter and the new PPE transmission filter. Looks good.